What's up, everybody? I just filmed a whole thing and forgot to take audio. So I'm gonna flip this around. So some of the behind the scenes footage that I screwed up the audio on is right here. So these are the two diffs that we got. The new one's on the right, old one's on the left. You can see how nice this all looks. The bolts are even super shiny, and old one's on the left. So we're gonna swap a couple components back and forth and do some comparisons to see what's actually wrong with these diffs. So first up, I took the driver mount and swapped them between the two diffs because these were the only things I was unsure of that I didn't have a replacement. Maybe I bent it, but check this out. The old driver mount from my diff is nice and straight on the replacement diff. And if we go back over here, it is still bent upwards. So it's not this mount. We're gonna move on to the next test. And this is the configuration that I've really wanted to figure out. So everything on here is from my old original diff configuration except the extension housing. I swapped the extension housing off the replacement diff I got and used the old mounts, and look at that. We are pretty much dead as an arrow, maybe slightly bent on the passenger side, very so slightly, but significantly better than it was. So next step, we're gonna swap mounts. Here is the final configuration with the replacement mounts and extension housing from the new setup that I got. And what do you know? Check it out. It is now super straight and what we want to see. So pretty much that front end got jacked up. The extension housing was definitely twisted, and by process of elimination, that's how I was able to figure this out. So pretty crazy because that thing is super beefy, and I don't know, that just blows my mind. But regardless, this guy is straight as an arrow, and these old mounts actually are pretty straight as well. These ones just seem to line up a little bit better, but with just replacing this housing and using the old mounts, this thing was like ready to go. So either way, we're gonna chuck this thing back in here, and I'm stoked that if you guys need to inspect your front ends if you're having problems like this, and this guy could actually be twisted, which I did not think possible, but it is. So yes, the truck is up and running. Ha! Obviously it's parked here in the garage, so no, it's not on the trail, but I did go out and do some test runs, and I'm excited to say I think I have it fixed. The extension housing was definitely twisted. The CVs are in a much better position, and I'm feeling a lot more confident. But I am developing a product to prevent this from happening. Okay, everyone's going big tires on IFS with RCLT and Camberg and all sorts of other kits out there. You're gonna have the same problem eventually. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm gonna postpone sassing this truck so that I am able to put it on here and kind of test this out. I'm not gonna tell you what it is yet because that would give away the secret. And I like secrets. But either way, this thing is up and running. Stay tuned. Guys, comment down below what you thought of this little series. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And I will be announcing this product on 2Track Nation and cross-posting to Chase In Point Instagram, on Instagram, as well as here on YouTube. So please check everything out, and I appreciate the support. This has been a drama fest that I know you guys have all kind of lived through. So with that being said, thank you very much. The next video that's gonna come out is we're gonna swap the engine mounts on this guy. So if you wanna do that, subscribe again. Subscribe. Say that 5 times fast. Do it. Bye.